Hi, my cuties. Guess what we got in stock, you guys? We got the new Stitch Doorables. These are the flocked Stitch Doorables, and we're gonna open some. Let's pick a pack and let's get one open. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to show you guys what comes in the pack before we open. So you can get Sitting Stitchy, Surfing Stitchy. I think this is a limited edition. It looks gold to me. Experiment 626, Stitch, Luau Stitchy, Laying Down Stitch. I think this is the Love Struck Stitchy, Stitch with Scrump, Stitchy with the underwear on his head. Really want the one with the bra on his head. I just think it's so stinking cute. All right, you guys, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Please, please. Please. Bra on his head, Stitch. Oh, it's not, but it's really cute. We got Surfer Stitchy. Look at that. It's a little Stitchy and he's surfing. Hang 10. Calabunga, dude. They're flocked, that's the cool part about it, that they're flocked. So, oh, I love it. But I really want underwear. Should I open one more? I'm going to be bad. I'm going to open one more and then no more, you guys. Hopefully, this is underwear on the head stitch. Collect. Don't let Graham see me. Collect. Okay, underwear on the head. Underwear on the head. Underwear on the head. Oh, it's not, but it's really cute. Okay, this one's cute. So this is Love Struck Stitchy. I really like it. Oh, maybe I'll make some earrings or something cute. Love Struck Stitchy. So these are the two that we got. Love Struck Stitch and Surfer Stitch. Whoa. Okay, you guys, this is the checklist. Oh, here's the key. Oh, the pink is the special edition. That's the gold one, the special edition. Blue is ultra. Oh, so we got an ultra rare, you guys. The Love Struck Stitchy is an ultra rare. And then green is common. And then, no, wait, green is rare and white is common. So we got a common and we got an ultra rare. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys want to collect this series? Look at how cute these are, you guys. This is Surfer Stitchy. He's a common, but he's special in my heart. He's ultra rare in my heart. Look how beautiful these are. I'm obsessed. This one's actually really cute, you guys. Look at little Love Struck Stitchy. How adorable is that? I love it. I hope you guys liked that video, and if you guys want me to do more toy openings, write in the comments what other blind bags you guys want me to open. Go check out our website, pickaparty.store. That's where I have all of our blind bags. You guys, we have blind boxes, Sunny Angels, Schminchkis. We have so much cute stuff. Loads of Hello Kitty Sanrio stuff. So go check out our website, pickaparty.store. We do live sales almost every single night. So if you guys want to catch one of our live sales, definitely join in on all the fun. The vibe is always chef's kiss. I love you guys so much, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Bye, my cuties.